First, let's grab our resistors. Find R1 and R2 in your components list and place them on your workspace. For this circuit, we'll use 1K ohm resistors for both. This simple choice will make our output voltage twice the input, thanks to the non-inverting op-amp formula. Vout equals 1 plus R2 over R1. Next up, the 741 op-amp and place it between our resistors. Now, find the VC, C and V power sources, and the DC power for THR input terminal. Let's ground things. Place 2 grounds on your workspace. Alright, wiring time. First, adjust V to -15 volts and connect it to pin 4 of our op-amp. Then, connect the op-amp's output pin 6 to resistor R2. Take a moment to tidy your layout if needed. Next, change VCCO positive 15 volts and wire it to pin 7 of the op-amp. Now, adjust our DC power source to 1 volt and connect its positive terminal to pin 3 of the op-amp. Then, ground the negative terminal. Connect R1 to the negative terminal of the op-amp at pin 2 and ground the other end of R1. Finally, connect the remaining side of R2 between pin 2 of the op-amp and R1. And that's it. We've successfully built a non-inverting op-amp in MultiSim. Experiment with different input voltages and observe how the output follows our chosen formula. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other MultiSim tutorials for more circuit building fun.